you want? What would you like? You want a surprise? What kind of surprise would you like? Surprise! Okay, it's coming. You ready? Alright, hold on, okay? Hold on. Oh, what are you doing? Oh. This is your surprise. Here you go. Do you like it? Show me your surprise. Can I see what you got? Can I see? Wow. What's inside? Let's see. Let's take it out. Can I see what's inside? Hold on. There's a helicopter. Wow. Let's put this over here. Then there. What is this? Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. What is this? It's a cement truck. Wow. Cement truck. Let's put that over here. Can I see this? Ooh, what is this? This is a dump truck. Wow, dump truck. So there's 3 cars. Wow. Okay, now let's get everything else out. This looks like a crane of some sort. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's take everything out. Let's put it all over here. Let's take all of this out. Oh, what is this? Okay, so we should look like that. So let's see. Let's get this. Open this up. So we have these pieces. Okay, so there we go. We put this piece here. We put these two, this one, and then this piece goes here, and this one. We just put it like this. This tower goes here. And now what else? What else? What are you doing? Sweetie pie, can I see what you're doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to open this? Okay, and now we're gonna open this up. Thank you. And just take it out here. Okay, there we go. And what piece do we need from here? Which one do we need? Let's see. I think I need. Which one do I
I'm so happy.
need? Oh, I think I need this one. Yeah, this piece. So this piece is going to go right over here. So, where are we heading? This one goes right over here. See? I'm just gonna put it in. There you go. Yeah. Where are you putting that in? Did it go in? Did you try putting it in, honey? Okay. So now we have this piece, and this piece is going to go where? Over here? Yeah, so that piece just goes in here. Like that. You want me to open this?
Yeah.
You open it. Try opening it.
Mommy, what's
Okay, here, let's try opening it. Okay, there, I opened it. Can you take it out for me, please? Take this out for me, please.
Oh. Oh, wow. Look at this.
You got it? Oh, what is that? I think it's for this. Like the big crane here. I think it's for this piece. I think it's this. That. I think it's that piece. You got it? Can I have it? So I can put it on? Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Okay, baby.
Thank you, sweetie pie. There's that. Hold on, honey. Not yet. Not yet. You have to wait. We're going to put this piece here. Like this. There we go. Honey, can you wait? Okay, so there we go. That is here. Okay, so there it is.
Kissy.
There it is from that side. And it is all done. Whoa!
Meters.
More cars.
I see.
Here it comes. Is this the cement truck? Whoa!
Yay!
Pick that up.
This. Oh, sad. This is. Yeah. Meters.
Yeah, it's a truck. It's a cement truck. Wow, I like your cement truck. Are you playing with the cement truck?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, cement truck. Whoa, it fell down. Did you see that? It fell down. Do you go on the other side? Go on the other side. I can't see you. Whoa. It fell down. Whoa. It fell down. Wow. Do you like it? What do you need? Come on, come back. Come, quick. Are you coming? Come, show us your cars. Can we see your new cars? Wow. No, okay, put those on the track. Let's see. How does it go down? How does the car go down? Where are you going? There you are. Did you go bring some more toys? Oh, wow. That's so many cars you brought. Oh, my goodness. You brought so many cars, honey. That looks like fun. What is that? Is that the dump truck? What is that? Oh, that's a cement truck. Yeah, that's a slide? Okay, that's a slide for a cement truck? I think that's a road. Whee! Cement truck. Say cement truck. It's a yellow, what is that? Dump truck. That's a yellow dump truck. Yellow dump truck. Slide, yes. Whee! So many cars you have. Is that a red car? Oh, wow. Whee! I like your red car. That's nice. Oh, look, there's space over here, too. Yeah, there you go. Bring the car over here. Bring it here, honey. That's a slide. Keep going. Whee! Here we go. Come. Bring it here. It's coming. Oh, there we go. See? There's a road over here, too. Yeah, look. See? And you can go in from here. Hi. Here's a cement truck. It's gonna go in from here. Hi. Did it come out from that side? Oh, there it is. See? Look. It's coming. And it can go from here too. Look. Look at this one.
Wee.
Honey, look. See? It goes in from here and comes out. There we go. You see that? Yeah, there you go. See? From there. And it can go from here. Look, if you put it this way. See? Go right. This way, this way, this way. This way, look. I'll show you this way. See? This way. This side, this side. Right. Hi. There we go. See? You can go on the other side.
It's tasty.
Did you take that off?
Uh-oh.
Did you take that off?
Uh-oh.
Put that back on. It goes over here, over here, over here. Over here. Yeah, just right on the other side. Like this. See? There you go. Wow. Okay, you want to show Mickey? You want to show Mickey your new track? Aw, give Mickey a hug. Aw, big hug. Show Mickey your new toy. Show Mickey Mouse your new toy. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Okay, show Mickey your new toy. Say, Mickey, look what I got. Look, Mickey, it's Hamdan's new toy. Wow. Here, hold Mickey. Mickey wants to see too.
Yeah.
Can you show Mickey your cars? Whoa. And what is this pile? Hamdan? What's in here?